A few simple ingredients and 15 minutes is all you need for this tasty, spicy dinner. We've got al dente pasta tossed together with some warm garlicky olive oil and a kick of heat from some chili flakes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by cooking the pasta. So I've got 400 grams, which is 14 ounces of dried spaghetti here, and we're going to cook it in a large pan of boiling salted water as per the pack instructions, ideally until al dente, which should be about 10 minutes. So when that pasta's almost cooked, about 5 minutes from the end of cooking time, we're going to heat 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large frying pan over a low to medium heat. Once that oil's hot, add a teaspoon of chili flakes, 3 minced cloves of garlic, and half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Then fry that together for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. By now the pasta should be ready, so we want to drain this spaghetti, reserving about half a cup of the pasta cooking water. Add the drained spaghetti and a good splash of the pasta cooking water to the pan. Then stir together, adding a little bit more pasta water if desired, until that chili oil is coating the spaghetti. We're going to finish off by adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Toss it all together and then turn off the heat. Top it with some lemon zest, some shaved hard cheese and black pepper. I know it sounds simple, and it is simple, but it tastes amazing and it only takes 15 minutes to make. I could literally eat this whole pan. See you next time.
With added slurping noises.
It's spicy.